Yep. I'll let you know. Thanks.
What's my necklace? Aha.
Good necklace.
Daddy, in case.
Little tool. Grab it. Grab that end. You put the long end in this hole. Perfect.
Is it gonna be loud?
Nope.
Okay, I got
Squeeze. Squeeze. And one more.
Then you get it in?
Yep. And see this piece breaks off.
Oh.
Leaving that in there. Okay. Load up the next one. Nice. Alright. Move me up. Quick.
Why? Let's make it bigger.
Alright, I got most of I'm just calling this the skirt. The skirt that goes around this toolbox area and basically holds it to the floor, and it's nice and solid now. Riveted it all the way around the other side. I don't have all the rivets in on that side. Like here's one, for example, I didn't put in. Once I pull this cab off, I'm gonna get a hammer and because there's a dent right here, so I'll hammer this dent out from the other side, trying to make it as flush as possible before I put that last rivet in there. But I'm gonna put some welds up here. I'm just gonna go from this corner all the way down to the bottom. Just because there's a lot of tension on this, I had to hammer it in and clamp it really tight just to get that one rivet in. And there's a lot of tension on that rivet. It's probably barely holding on. So I'm gonna do some welds there, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side because I got a similar situation where it's not fitting quite right. So I know it's gonna take a lot of pressure to get it to tighten up on the other side as well. So I'm also gonna weld it just to give it added strength. Alright, the floor is done. It's in there. Except for that one rivet. I'll knock that dent out and then put that rivet in. The toolbox, the insides of the toolbox, I'll work on that once I have the cab back off and I can get underneath it. Alright.
Tumbleweed garage.